Cameron County COVID report just released a few minutes ago. More than 1,000 new infections reported. Some school leaders caught off guard by this latest spike.
We were all a little bit more lax because we felt that we had things under control. And over the holidays, we've seen the COVID numbers go up tremendously.
Schools valley-wide working to find a balance between sick teachers and also taking care of their classrooms. Channel 5's Stephanie Rosales is live in Brownsville to tell us how they're managing things there. Stephanie.
I'm outside of the Brownsville ISD administration building. This is just one of the districts that have been seeing an increase in people testing for COVID. Schools are hoping to fill their classrooms after seeing a spike in positive cases. We also spoke with the superintendent of Point Isabel ISD, who is fighting to offset the shortage of staff.
With all the number of staff members that have been out, it has been a challenge for not only my school district, but all of those in the valley and even in the state.
Point Isabel ISD, one valley district that delayed its start date after the recent spike in COVID cases, welcoming back students just yesterday. But Teresa Ann Capistran says the virus isn't just keeping students home, it's also affecting their staff in unprecedented numbers.
We have never seen the numbers of COVID positives of staff members and of our students be this high in the entire 18 months that we have been living and during almost 2 years of living with this pandemic.
Capistran says some doctors are recommending their COVID positive staff needs to stay out for as long as 10 days. And Brownsville ISD officials say they have also experienced a dramatic increase in positive cases. Their students returned to class last week, and officials say they've had more than 6,000 people testing for COVID.
The more you test, the more positives you might come across, which is a good thing because you can identify those people who are contagious, put them in quarantine, and stop the spread of the virus.
BISD Health Services Director Alonso Guerrero says they are following CDC guidelines, which means teachers and staff have to be out for 5 days. After they can come back as long as they're symptom-free. But not all schools in the district are struggling to find teachers. The principal at Stell Middle School says so far they haven't been affected by the flood of positive cases.
We have a plan already. BISD also has a plan, but here at Stell, we have a list of preferred substitutes that we know at any moment we call them, they're ready to go and help us out.
According to the BISD COVID-19 dashboard, last week there were 278 employees who tested positive. Yesterday, 59 more. As of about half an hour ago, the BISD board was meeting, and a topic on the agenda was additional COVID leave for cases. But one requirement that they must meet is that they must be fully vaccinated. Live in Brownsville, Stephanie Rosales, Channel 5 News at 6.